Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel KaiTop. Today I will show you how to share your SoundCloud music on your Instagram stories. SoundCloud has now brought the new feature to share your music discoveries from SoundCloud directly to your Instagram stories. Now say goodbye to your screenshots. Scanning the new and hot charts to find your next favorite song or artist is hard work that now delivers an immediate reward because easily shared means easily heard. So let's not waste the time and see how it is done. For that, open the SoundCloud app by tapping on the app, and here you are on the homepage of the SoundCloud. Choose one of the songs that you want to share. I will choose the random one, and then you will see the share icon right beside the people icon below the play and shuffle button. Tap on the share icon, and here you will see a menu pop up where you can see different options to share your music. Here you can copy the link, you can share to the stories, Snapchat or Facebook stories, and many more. Choose the option Instagram stories. Once you choose that, you will be redirected to the Instagram stories directly. Here you can adjust your story by simply tapping on the picture and dragging where you want to put it. You can also add text, picture and filter to your story by simply tapping on the option given at the top of the page. Once you are satisfied with your story, simply tap on the next page arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Here you will see a menu pop up where you can choose to whom you want to share your story with. Choose one of the options given there and then tap on the share button at the bottom of the page. Once you tap on the share button, you will again see a menu pop up where you can also share your story to your highlights or your Facebook story, or you can send them as a message. Tap the option that you want to choose here and then tap on the done button at the bottom of the page. Once you do that, you will see your story has been successfully uploaded. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.